With Blackthorn Payments, you get access to a number of powerful tools to create and manage recurring payments from within Salesforce. Save yourself time by automating forward-looking transactions to ensure you get paid on time. Enable your team to handle virtually any complex subscription-based billing scenario with usage-based and tiered pricing, multiple prices per subscription, and multiple subscriptions per customer. We're going to cover 2 ways our customers can use our subscription options: Lite Subscriptions through our payment schedule feature, and complex subscriptions. The first subscription-based payment option is what we call Lite Subscriptions through our payment schedule feature. Payment schedules allow you to create simple recurring payments and donations. Think of this like a gym membership with a recurring $60 monthly payment. Typically, you won't offer any prorations, upgrades, or downgrades. The recurring payment is simply charged on a regular schedule. To get started with a payment schedule, create one directly from an opportunity or navigate to the tab and select New. Here, you can fill out start date, end date or count, amount, and the currency, with optional fields below as well. The initial amount field allows you to set the amount for the first transaction. This is perfect for a setup fee or any other kind of initial fee that only occurs on the first transaction. Next, you can add a payment method already related to your customer as well as account and contact. If you select a payment method and leave account and contact blank, the related account and contact from the payment method will automatically be populated when you click Save. With payment schedules, you'll also have the ability to use any of our over 120 supported payment gateways in Blackthorn Payments. You can also check on the status of the schedule and payments with our status fields. To see what these various status tags mean, you can click the link in the description of this video to go to our documentation for a full list. We also offer the ability to create an open-ended payment schedule. This will create a schedule that captures a single amount over and over again, with no ending date defined. Keep in mind, however, this will continue to create transactions until you end it manually. If you're using Stripe Billing, our deep integration lets you create complex subscriptions and push them to Stripe without leaving Salesforce. You can also create subscriptions in services like Stripe Checkout and view it in Salesforce thanks to our bi-directional syncing and matching logic. Subscriptions with Stripe Billing allow you to add multiple products, prices, discounts and prorations, tiered and usage billing, and more, giving you much more flexibility to adapt to more complicated billing scenarios. Let's take a look at a quick example. You're a SaaS company offering multiple software solutions to your customer, and you just launched a brand new product with multiple usage tiers. All of your customers want to add this new product to their current subscriptions. With our Stripe Billing integration, you can easily add, remove, or upgrade products all in the same subscription, taking the hassle out of complicated subscription management. Here we have a closed-won opportunity, and we need to create a subscription to charge the customer. You'll likely already have products on the opportunity at this point, but for this demo, we'll start by adding any products that are going to be part of the subscription. Our integration with Stripe allows us to link Salesforce records to Stripe's objects, meaning the product field links to the Stripe's product object, the product type field links to Stripe's plans, and the price field links to Stripe's price object. Once those are set, we need to add some information about this subscription to the opportunity record, including the customer, any coupons we want to apply, the billing method, start dates, and more. Once we're ready to push this to Stripe, we can either press this checkbox and click Save, or we can hit the Create Subscription button on the top right of the opportunity. This will create a subscription record, push it to Stripe, and automatically relate the subscription to the opportunity. We can click into it to view all the information we just defined, or we can head over to the Stripe dashboard to view this information and confirm our subscription was pushed. If we're using invoicing as our subscription method, those invoices will be viewable as sales documents related to the subscription record. And once the customer pays the first invoice, the associated payment method will be related as well. And finally, if you have any changes that need to be made to this subscription, you can do so by making updates in the Stripe dashboard or in the Salesforce subscription record. Our API integrations and Stripe's webhooks ensure that any subscription changes made on one platform are automatically synced to the other, eliminating time-consuming exporting and clunky data handling. For even more complicated subscriptions, you can create a subscription schedule via Stripe Billing. A subscription schedule allows you to predefine any expected changes to the subscription over its lifetime. These changes can include updates to the price, prorations, upgrades and downgrades, and more. This allows you to fine-tune the subscription over its expected lifecycle, taking the hassle out of long-term subscription management. To get started with subscription schedules, make sure you're on Blackthorn Payments 5.1 or higher. Navigate to the subscription schedule object and click New. Add a customer to the field, select a start date, and then click Save. After we click Save, we'll navigate to the subscription schedule object to create a subscription schedule phase. A phase is a portion of the subscription where you can define certain criteria or actions to occur. For example, let's say you're a SaaS company that just signed a customer to a 3-year contract. You decided to give them a 20% discount for the first year of the contract, and then a 10% discount for the second year. Instead of creating a 1-year subscription with a 20% discount, a 1-year subscription with a 10% discount, and then another 1-year subscription at full price, we can use subscription schedules to easily define the price changes over the life of the subscription. So let's see how something like that works. Create a new subscription schedule phase and be sure to define the price of the subscription. Next, add in the 20% discount via a coupon. Fill out the rest of the billing, date, and payment information and click Save. Next, we can create additional phases for years 2 and 3 where the discounts will change. We'll create these phases exactly like year 1, except this time we'll either change the coupon or remove it entirely. Click Save and you're almost done. All that you have left to do is go to the upper right dropdown and push this information to Stripe to enable the subscription and its phases. You'll also notice in this menu that you can cancel or release the subscription at any time. Now that your subscription is created, the phases will automatically be applied, and any additional changes you make in Salesforce will automatically be updated in Stripe thanks to our API integrations. If we go into the subscription within the Stripe dashboard, we can confirm that our subscription and the phases were pushed successfully. If you're ready to tackle any billing scenario that your customers can throw at you, head over to blackthorn.io to try Blackthorn Payments today.